We are now going to have a signing ceremony between Pakistani and Chinese companies. We've selected 9. May I now invite Mr. Zafar Mahmood, the Chief Executive Officer of Lab Diagnostic Systems Private Limited, and Mr. Bochao Wu, representing Sinovac, to the stage for the formal exchange of agreement for the strategic collaboration for vaccine localization and technology transfer in Pakistan, valued at more than $200 million. Thank you very much, gentlemen. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Kamran Nasir, the Group Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer representing AGP Limited, and Mr. Wang Hongyi, Head of International Business representing CanSino's Biologics, to the stage for the formal exchange of agreements for the local manufacturing of vaccine, valued at potentially more than $50 million. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Kamran Nasir, the Group Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer representing AGP Limited, and Mr. Wei Yongfu, General Manager representing Shanghai United Cell Biotechnology, and they will exchange the agreement for local cell line development and advanced biotechnology products valued at potentially more than $50 million. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Maz Ahmed, the Director of Business Development representing OBS Pharma, and Mr. Liu Jianqun, Head of Business Development representing Liang Ludan Pharmaceutical, to the stage for the formal exchange of agreement for local manufacturing of contraceptive implants valued at potentially more than $50 million. Thank you very much, gentlemen. Next, I would like to call upon Mr. Zafar Mahmood, the Chief Executive Officer representing Lab Diagnostic Systems, SMC Private Limited, and Dr. Guo Jinhong, Chief Scientist representing Chongqing Liangqin Zikang Biotechnology Company Limited. They'll exchange the agreements for CCM assembly, technology transfer, and local manufacturing in Pakistan, valued at more than $25 million. Thank you very much, gentlemen. Next, I would like to call upon Mr. Arshad Mahmood, Managing Director representing Weatherfalls Pharmaceutical and Welcome Pakistan Pharmaceutical, and Mr. Li Chao, representing Tian Yuan Pharmaceuticals Company Limited. To the stage, they'll come and they'll exchange the agreements, and this is for the establishment of manufacturing facility utilizing synthetic technology for the production of semaglutide and trizepatide APIs and finished pharmaceutical projects, valued more than $25 million. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Chaudhry Muhammad Israr Sharif, who is the Chief Executive Officer representing Genix Pharma, Mr. Yu Bing Zheng, CEO representing Nanjing Selinan Biopharmaceutical, and Mr. Johnny Chow, International BD Vice Managing Director representing Teflon Science and Technology. They'll be exchanging the agreements for the strategic collaboration for biopharmaceutical manufacturing in Pakistan, valued at more than $25 million. Thank you very much, gentlemen. Next, I would like to call upon Mr. Atif Siddiqui, the Chief Operating Officer of Lucky Core Industries Limited, representing Messrs. Lucky Core Industries, and Mr. Bin Chen, Chief Executive Officer, Hua Hai Health Company Limited, and they'll be exchanging the agreement to introduce breakthrough treatment of hepatitis, presenting Yangtze River Pharmaceutical Group, and they'll be exchanging the agreements for API technology transfer on multiple oncology products valued at more than $10 million. Thank you very much, gentlemen.